If you'd like to see how I'm going to transform these two little small bottles of Jose Cuervo into these lovely rhinestone embellished glam bottles, keep watching this video. Hey YouTube, so today in this video I'm going to be embellishing these two little plastic bottles. I'm going to use a wax pickup tool, E6000 quick hold glue, and I'm just going to go ahead and get started. So first I'm just going to add a little bit of glue onto the bottle, and then I'm just going to take these 5mm clear and a hint of blue rhinestones and begin to add them to the bottle. You can use pearls as well as rhinestones, either or a combination of both. And sometimes I like to use multiple different sizes. I love the variation of sizes, but today I just had the 5mm, so that's what I'm going to go with today. You can kind of space them out so they can kind of fit together. There's different methods. You can use like a bricklayer method, a straight column method. You could do a scatter method, which is kind of what I did. And when I do it, it's not like really perfect. I just kind of make the rhinestones fit as closely as I can and try to make them look as neat as possible. But if it's not perfect, definitely don't stress yourself out about it. Now, if you do plan on doing this as a gift, of course you want it to look nice, or if you're going to sell these and make money from them, you definitely want to have the best presentation that you can. But the more you work on these, you'll eventually get a lot better. Now, with the holidays right around the corner, Thanksgiving just passed, but Christmas is around the corner, and some people like to drink. So this will probably be a cute little stocking stuffer. Or some people have like little bottles like this on birthday cakes. That would be cute as well. Or these could be little party favors. So these cute little bottles can be used for so many different reasons. So I'll go ahead and tell you once again the name of this little tool I'm using, because I notice throughout my videos I get asked that quite often. What are you using to pick up the rhinestones? What is that thing you're using? What is that tool? It's called a rhinestone pickup tool or rhinestone picker tool. That's how you can search it on Google. You can purchase it on Amazon. You can purchase it just about anywhere. You just look it up. I also have them for sale on my website, myroyalradiance.com. But if you don't want to buy them from me, they are available other places to buy as well. Very convenient. You can move a lot quicker using this, and I like it. I've seen people use tweezers. I don't know how you could use tweezers. Seems like it'll take forever, but this is what works best for me. Okay, so I'm working on the second bottle. And on this bottle, I'm going to use like a gold AB rhinestone. Very pretty. I love how it has like a gold and also like a hint of purple when the light hits it. And I do have rhinestones on my website as well, myroyalradiance.com. And as of recently, my Instagram page for My Royal Radiance was disabled, so I made another one. The name is really the exact same. I just had to move the underscore around, so it's myroyal_radiance. If you're wondering why all of a sudden it's not there, it was disabled. I don't know if it was the music I used on my Instagram. I don't know if it was the hashtags I use for the luxury fabrics that I sell, if something got flagged that way. I don't know what I did wrong. It's under review. They may give me my Instagram back, but it said it was suspended for about 180 days. So I just made a new one. That's how I promote my business. So it just made sense for me to make a new one. So I'll have a link to my new Instagram. Just wanted to get that out there. Now, another way you could do these bottles if you don't want to have any of the spaces showing in between, I've done this before. I've colored the bottles with either paint or a Sharpie. So for example, if I was using red rhinestones, I would have used a red Sharpie, colored the whole thing, let it dry, then put red rhinestones on it. So it just has a nice fuller look. But I was okay with the way these rhinestones look with this color of bottle. It was very nice. These DIYs don't take many rhinestones at all, super beginner friendly, and they look really cute once you're finally finished, and it doesn't take long at all to complete these. I could say it probably took me each bottle no more than 30 minutes, definitely under 45 minutes to an hour. I am almost finished, so just continue to watch how I just add the rhinestones on just to kind of make them fit. And I'll show you at the end of the video how they both turned out. Okay, you guys, here is the final finished result of the Jose Cuervo silver bottle, and I think it looks very pretty. I like how I used the hints of blue. If I would have used all clear rhinestones, that would have been really pretty as well. And keep in mind with these bottles, you can always paint them and change the complete color. What I like to do is to kind of match the labels with the rhinestones, or kind of like match the bottle with the rhinestones, but you definitely don't have to do that, especially if you want these to be party favors. So for example, if you want these to be party favors and the colors for your party were, let's say, green, let's say for St. Patrick's Day, you can definitely just use green rhinestones and just go along with your theme. I like this Jose Cuervo gold bottle because these rhinestones, for some reason, these are some of my favorite color rhinestones. I definitely could have went up a little higher to the top area. I just kind of stopped a little bit towards the front. I don't know why. I can always go back and fix that, but I think these are like really cute. Again, these make really cute little gifts, stocking stuffers, birthday gifts. You can just make them, like you can make a bunch of them, get a bunch of shorty bottles that you happen to like, decorate them and put them on your little bar at home to decorate with. Another thing that you can do with these little bottles is you can of course do the bigger version of these bottles, or you can do glitter. Don't worry if rhinestones intimidate you or you don't want to use them. You don't like the E6000 because E6000 can get a little messy and it's toxic. The smell can be a bit overwhelming. But glitter and a little Mod Podge, just make sure that you do seal that glitter. If you don't seal it, it can get messy and kind of get all over the place. So these will be cute glittered as well. But thanks you guys for watching this video. I hope that you did enjoy it. If you did, give this video a thumbs up, share it on Facebook, or send it to someone who may be interested in watching. And thanks again for watching this video. If you'd like to subscribe, I'd greatly appreciate that. If not, thank you so much for stopping by. And if you do subscribe, don't forget to hit that notification bell so you'll know when I post a video. Bye-bye. By myroyalradiance.com, and we do carry faux leather inspired designer fabric for your crafting needs, luxury inspired croc charms, as well as iron-on patches and much more. Enjoy the coupon code MyRoyalBeauty10 off. Check out our website, crtacticaldefense.com, where we do sell in-waistband gun holsters, belly band holsters, and many more. Please check out my discount code VIBES for a special discount for my subscribers.